Hello, this is Nancy from The Nest. I thought I'd go through a few ball exercises with you to work on mobility through your pelvis, a little bit of core strength, and for general relaxation that you can use either in pregnancy or early stages of labour. So, starting with a pelvic tilt, making sure that your hips are slightly higher than your knees. Okay, feet are flat on the floor. Exhale, tucking your tailbone underneath you. Inhale, pushing back. Exhale, tucking your tailbone underneath you. Inhale, pushing back, increasing the arch in your lower back. Exhale, tucking underneath you. Inhale, back. Exhale, underneath you. Inhale, back. Okay, so all the while keeping your chest up, your shoulders still. We can do a circular motion. So we're moving the ball in a circular motion. Okay, using your tailbone as that sort of anchor point. Keeping the breath steady. Aiming to do 5 to 10 in each direction. So I'm going to turn to the side, okay, and I'm going to show you some side stretches. So working a little bit more on the side body here, sitting on your ball. Inhale, taking the left arm up. Exhale, reaching over to come to a side stretch. Inhale, coming up. Exhale to lower the hand down. Reaching the opposite arm up. And exhale, leaning over to the side. Inhale and exhale. I'm doing 5 or so on each side there. Okay, this really helps to stretch out through your side. A little bit of core strength in this sitting position, something we call leg lifts. So shifting your weight onto one leg, make sure that you're practicing in a safe area. Okay, maybe have a wall nearby or a piece of furniture if you're not sure. Shifting your weight onto your one foot, lifting the opposite foot off the floor. There might be a little bit of a wobble. You'll feel a little tightening through your lower abdominal muscles here, which is great. Okay, that's working the core strength, okay? If you wanted to challenge yourself a little bit more on this, you're going to look to take your opposite arm up, okay? So if your right leg is up, then your left arm is up, okay? And see if you can hold it here. Making sure that you switch sides, aiming to hold for about 5 breaths or so. Shifting your weight onto your right foot, lifting the other leg, and then taking the opposite arm up if you want the challenge. Okay, so those are core lifts and then leg lifts, and you might want to look to do about 5 to 10 on each side. Coming to a kneeling position, making sure that you're kneeling on a pillow for comfort. Doing some back mobility exercises. So as you breathe out, pushing the ball away from you, sticking your bottom away. And then inhale, bringing the ball close to your body again. Exhale, pushing away. Inhale, coming up. And then exhale, push away. Inhale, coming up. So coming to lean over the ball, this is generally a good position for general relaxation and for the early stages of labour. You might want to get your partner to rub your lower back or so. And this aids optimal fetal positioning because it allows the baby to come forward, resting in a kind of hammock position. Okay, so you can just sway from side to side here. So it's a really, really nice position to be in if you just need to get a little bit of a sway going, a little bit of relaxation. You could also do some lunges. Okay, so having the ball out in front of you, bringing one leg forward, turning the foot out slightly, and then as you breathe out, lunging forwards, bringing your weight onto your knee, and then inhale, bring it back. Exhale, lunging away, inhale, coming back. Avoid this if you have any pelvic girdle pain or pubis dysfunction. Okay, making sure that you do both sides, aiming to do 5 to 10 on each side. You can also do some side stretches in this position, so turning your body to the side again, having the ball to your side, and then hand onto the ball. Inhale, take your arm up, and then exhale, reach over to the side. This obviously lengthens the side body a little bit more, it's a deeper stretch. Inhale, come back to centre, and exhale, reach over. Moving in time with the breath. Passing the ball over to the other side. And once again, aim to do 5 to 10 on each side. Okay. So just remind yourself of this position for general relaxation is great. If you don't want to be down on all fours, you could also do it on a chair, okay, so standing, okay, which might help sort of more gravity assisted in the early stages of labour. Okay, so you might want to lean forwards and then just roll onto the ball here on the chair, okay, very gently. Okay, so those are a few little exercises you can do and a few tips and techniques for early labour. I hope you found that useful. I run a yoga class, online yoga class every Monday at 6:30 to 7:30. So do message us if you're interested. And balls can be up for hire through our hire, borrow and buy scheme. So please do get in touch if you want to find out more. Thank you for watching.